హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ సైన్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. ఓకే, ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్లో మనం ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి 8 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చూసాం కదండి. ఎస్పీడీఎఫ్ బ్లాక్స్ అను ఆవర్తన ధర్మం, పీరియాడిసిటీ అండ్ పీరియాడిక్ ప్రాపర్టీస్. ఓకే, టుడే we are going to discuss about this IE2 greater than IE1. Okay, define IE2 and define IE1 and IE2 and why IE2 is greater than IE1 and write 3 factors affecting the ionization energy. What is IE means ionization energy or ionization potential. Okay, simply we already in periodic properties we already discussed the definition. What is periodic properties, how it changes in groups and periods. What is ionization energy or ionization potential means the amount of energy, okay, the amount of energy required to remove loosely bounded electron from a neutral gaseous atom. Okay, neutral gaseous atom, isolated neutral gaseous atom. Okay, that energy is called ionization energy. How much energy we applied on the atom to remove an electron, that energy is called ionization energy. How it changes in groups and periods. Okay, in groups from top to bottom ionization energy decreases, from left to right ionization energy increases. Okay, we will move into our concept today. What is ionization energy? First ionization energy or IE1. Okay, here lack of space I written small shortcuts IE1, IE2 like that. In exam you should write complete first ionization energy. IE1 means first ionization energy. IE2 means second ionization energy. Okay, don't write short forms in exam. Okay, the amount of energy required to remove a loosely bounded electron from an isolated gaseous atom is called first ionization energy. Here once you see the example, this is an isolated gaseous atom. Here seen first here isolated gaseous atom M. I taken M as an example. Here what energy we are applying? First energy, first ionization energy. Then it form an unipositive ion. What is this? Unipositive ion and release an electron. We are taking out one electron from that atom. Okay, what energy we applied in first ionization energy. Next comes to second definition, IE2 or second ionization energy or ionization potential. Next, the amount of energy required to remove loosely bounded second electron from an unipositive ion. Okay, what we are doing, continuation we are doing the equation, continuation we are doing removing the electrons, second one. Okay, the amount of energy required to remove loosely bounded second electron from an unipositive ion. Here what is this equation? See, unipositive ion, we applied second ionization energy, then we remove one electron from here for M plus 2. Okay, 2 plus charges here by removing of 2 electrons. But why is IE2 greater than IE1? Why? Okay, if removing one electron, if suppose here see example, so many elements are there in our periodic table. If you remove one electron, see here, just imagine this is our classroom. Here I am the nucleus, like this teacher is the nucleus, and the children who are sitting in their places, those are the places or orbits, and the children are the electrons, students are the electrons. Just imagine like this. Okay, the class is, if the class length is more, means the teacher concentration is less than the backside children. If suppose class space is less space, means that teacher will focus all the students properly. Okay, the students who are sitting in front benches, those will be under the focus of the teacher. Okay, then that's like that. If suppose in case of element, if the electrons which are nearer to the nucleus, they have more nuclear charge. Okay, by removing the electron which is nearer to the nucleus is difficult. That's why I am telling this example, class and teacher like this. Okay, then we will move into our concept IE2. Why IE2 is greater than IE1? By removing one electron, the space of the atom. See, if suppose you remove an electron, okay, removing one electron from isolated gas. If you are removing electron from an atom, what happens? The charge on the atom increases. plus charge here, got Cm plus N, plus charge is increasing. That means protons number is increasing in the nucleus than the electrons. That's why that the charge on the nucleus also increase. If charge is increases, removing an electron is difficult. We have to apply more energy to remove the electron. That's why here definition they given like this. See, removing an electron from an unipositive ion is difficult than the isolated gaseous atom. Okay, this is the reason why it is IE2 is greater than. If it comes to IE3, okay, what we have to write the definition, the amount of energy required to remove a loosely bounded electron from an dipositive atom. Okay, that is called IE3 or third ionization energy. The third ionization energy is greater than the second ionization. Like that, so on. Okay, if you are removing electron, we have to apply more energy than the second electron, third electron, fourth electron, fifth electron, like that. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, what are the factors influencing the ionization energy? Okay, the reason, everyone understand the reason. See, why IU2 is greater than? Because the charge on the nucleus increases. Charge on the nucleus increases, then removing the electron from the atom is difficult. Okay, that's why IU2 is greater than IE1. What are the factors affecting the ionization energy? Means what are the factors? Atomic radius is the factor, nuclear charge, screening effect or shielding effect. These three. Okay, generally 5 are there, you should write only 3 in the exam. What is that? Atomic radius. Next one is nuclear charge, shielding effect or screening effect. Okay. Okay, first what we have to discuss here, first atomic radius. We already know in periodic properties, we already discussed those in the previous video. What is atomic radius? Atomic radius means nothing but the size of an atom. Atomic radius means nothing but size of an atom. If size of an atom is increasing, what happens? Number of shells also increasing. That's why removing an electron from that atom is easy. Okay, well, if you compare two atoms, one is a small atom, one is big atom. Okay, that means nothing but you take this side lithium. Lithium you take an example. Next, this side you come to neon. Okay, helium, neon. These two are in second period. Okay, when see the size of an atom. Okay, here in lithium only 3 electrons are there. In neon 10 electrons are there. Okay, removing an electron from a neon is very easy than the lithium, because lithium has only 3 electrons. Lithium electrons are nearer to lithium nucleus. That's why, see, if size of the atom increases, atomic radius, ionization energy decreases. That's why I written here simply ionization energy is inversely proportional to atomic radius. Okay, don't write in exam like this. You write completely in a proper way. Okay, atomic radius, how we discuss now. Atomic radius means nothing but the size of an atom. If atomic radius increases, ionization energy decreases. Okay, next one, that's why it is ionization energy inversely proportional to atomic radius. Okay, ionization energy increases, if atomic radius is increases, ionization energy decreases. Inversely means like that, one is increasing means another one is decreases. Next one, see nuclear charge. If nuclear charge, what is nuclear charge? If you are removing an electron from an atom, what happens? If removing an electron from an atom, the positive charge on the atom increases. Positive charge. See here example. Okay, if you remove one electron here, it gets a unipositive ion. Then second electron we removed here. Start here. 2 plus charges on the atom. If proton number is increases in the nucleus, the nucleus charge also increases. If nuclear charge is more, removing an electron from their outermost shell is difficult, because positive charge is more. If suppose take an example, if in the class you are writing an exam, okay, 2 invigilators are there, okay, only 4 children are there in the classroom. They are 4 children are writing exam. What happens? Is there any chance to see other sides? No. Why? Because teacher is completely focused. Only each teacher is 2 students is very easy. Okay. If suppose 60 children are there in the class, they are writing exam. Only one teacher is there in that case. seeing that side, this side is very, very easy. Okay, that is the reason. If nuclear charge is increasing, if nuclear charge increases, then the removing of electron also, we have to apply more energy to remove an electron from that ion. Okay, next, that's why nuclear charge is directly proportional to ionization energy. Ionization energy directly proportional to nuclear charge. Next one is screening effect or shielding effect. Screening effect or shielding effect. See here, screening effect or shielding. What is screening effect? What is screening effect? If suppose I will take an example, same as class and teacher, students and teacher. If class is there, here this side 10 rows benches are there, that side 2 rows benches are there. Okay, the first bench children screen the backs, third bench children or second bench children. Yes or no? Okay, first bench children completely cover the backside children. Okay, like that, the shells which are nearer to the nucleus, the shells which are nearer to the nucleus, the electrons which are present in that first shell, the electrons screens the second shell electrons. Okay, that's why. Okay, the electrons which are present nearer to the electrons which are present to the nucleus, which are nearer to the nucleus, those shields the electrons which are present outer shell. Okay, if suppose you will comes to screen, how screening effect present in our shells means S, P, D, F. S shells are nearer to nucleus than P shells, than D shells. Removing an electron from S shell is difficult than the P shell. Remove an electron is difficult than D shell, like that. Okay, if screening effect means, children, you understand, student, you understand here, screening effect means screening the other electrons. Okay, if electron is screening another, that removing an electron is last. If suppose the class has 60 children, backside children want to skip the class, he want to write some other subject. Okay, if he is sitting backside bench, what teacher will not focus what he is doing, he is listening the subject only, like this teacher will think, but he is writing other subject. Why it is happening? The front bench children are screening the backside children. Okay, that is the, and escaping capacity is more, or removing capacity is more when the screening is more means. Okay, in this condition, removing an electron from outermost shell is if screening effect is more, removing electron is we have to apply very less energy. If screening, that's why screening effect or shielding effect is inversely proportional to ionization energy. Okay, if electrons are screened, what happens? Removing electron is very easy because nucleus is not attracting the outermost electron because the screening of the front electrons. You should think like that. Here, what is screening effect means? Screening effect means screening the outermost electron. Front is screening the outermost electrons. Okay, if ionization energy increases, screening effect is less. Okay, if screening effect is more, ionization energy is very, very low. Okay, these are the factors, 3 factors influencing the ionization energy. And first we have to write, if they ask question, 8 marks question like this means, first you will write the definitions, ionization energy, first ionization energy, second ionization energy, then why it is IE2 is greater than IE1. Next, write the 3 factors in a proper manner, then you will get 8 out of 8 marks. These are the 3 questions, very, very important SPDF blocks, periodic properties, periodicity and periodic properties, and this one is IE2 and IE2, why IE2 is greater than IE1. These 3 are very, very important questions from second chapter. Okay, one question will definitely come into the exam. Okay, please children make a short note in your notebook, daily follow the classes. Okay, these are very, very useful for your revision. Okay, if you like hope you like my video. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe.